I'm waiting on my oven to preheat right now. Something I should have done while I was showing. That's usually the first thing I do, and it shortens the time up considerably. But it normally takes about 15 minutes to get to bake up the dough and then get the biscuits out of the oven. It takes about 15 minutes, which is not bad at all. One of the also good idea to go ahead and in the process, since we're through using the cup, we can go ahead and get it ready to wash. I'll go ahead and put it on. So all we have to do now is just wait on the oven to heat up. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and clean up my mess I made over here. And we'll be ready. This is really good though, for those of you that have poor circulation around your heart. This oil here it's a lot better than choice. Be back in a minute.